Hey guys, welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I went over to the Dollar Tree, and this is the food items that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Now, you remember everything at the Dollar Tree is $1. All right. I also got these wonderful signs that I'll tell you a little bit more about. Well, I'll tell you about them now since I mentioned them. Look at this. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it has a holiday setting on this poster. I can hang those up. And then there's another one that says there's no place like home. In other words, there's no place like home, but they're saying snow place like home. I thought that was cute. I could hang that up somewhere. And then this little house decoration, this little tree, it can't stand up. Oh, or can it? It might be able to. No, it can't stand up. Oh, you have to stick it down in something because it's not going to stand up by itself. You might get a piece of foam or something like that and stick it down in the foam, and then it could stand up like this. All right, so that was $1. I thought it was cute. I bought these Healthy Chef oil, and this is what you spray in your pan, your cooking pan. You spray it in there so that whatever you're cooking don't stick. So this one is canola, and this one is butter. My husband's, mine. All right, I bought these Lance toast cheese crackers. They are so delicious with peanut butter in them. I had bought them for my grandkids the last time, but you know what? I sat up there and ate them up. I ate them myself, so they don't need that one. But I also saw these vanilla wafers. They are bite-sized vanilla wafers, and it's by a company, Bud's Best Cookies. But they're vanilla wafers. I'm going to make some banana pudding with them. I bought 2 boxes of them. And they are the bite size. They are the small vanilla wafers. So I'll use that to make banana pudding. I saw this gravy in a box of gravy mix, brown gravy. So I'm going to try it. And it's 3 packs in here. And, I'm going to try it. So I bought 2 packages of those. It doesn't expire until February 2020. That's one thing I like about the Dollar Tree. You get things there and they're not expired. Which is a great thing. And it's not no time soon that this is going to expire. All right. Then I brought 2 more packages of fudge brownie mix. My granddaughter's going to be coming over. I know she's probably going to want to make some. So I bought 2 packages of these. It's Betty Crocker, y'all. And I bought these nuts. Now, listen to what I'm going to do with them. These are sliced almonds on the left and chopped walnuts on the right. I'm going to take these nuts and I'm going to put them in my yogurt. Bet you didn't think about that, did you? So I'm going to try it. Hopefully it'll be good, all right? And then the other thing I bought, yes, I bought these for my grandkids. These are oatmeal creams, and there's 8 in the pack. And let's see. Not bad on sugar because it's 8 grams of sugar. But then they got this added sugar, 16%. But that makes it more. But they're young. They can eat this stuff and digest it up, and it won't affect their bodies, thank God. All right. So I bought 2 boxes of these for them. And yes, I will be sending that to them. So this is the only thing I bought for them that's edible. Okay. So this is my haul so far from the Dollar Tree. I have another some more stuff that I will show you in a minute. So guys, I also bought these items that you see here. I bought these. I thought they were gorgeous. They sparkly. I'm going to put them in a vase. I also bought these. The gold ones and the silver ones were just so pretty to me. I bought those. I bought 3 stems of this and 3 stems of the gold. All right. And I found these books. They're the states and the symbols, and it's like a coloring book. It says My Colorful Map of All 50 States. So I'm going to give them to my grandkids, the little ones that are out in New Jersey. I'm going to give them this, and they get to color it, and hopefully it will help them become more familiarized with the states, okay? And these are the abbreviations for those states. All right, so I bought 2 of them. I'm going to give one to my grandkids in New Jersey. Then I guess I'll send one to, how old is he, 8 or 9? I think the 8-year-old in California, I'll send that to him as well. I saw this sign, it says, let all that you do be done with love. All right, that's my motto. Let everything that you do be done with love. That's awesome. And look what I found. I found these Arm & Hammer products. This is a body wash. Ultra moisturizing. It says cool water. So this is just going to be tried. And this one too, it's going to be tried. It says, it's Arm & Hammer. It says Ultra Max. It's advanced odor controls. And it's a body wash as well. It's a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner all together. All right, so they might be good as little stocking stuffers, you know what I mean? So, and you saw that already in the bag. All right, guys, so this is the last part of my haul from the Dollar Tree. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Thank you guys. Love you much. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.